Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we've got some products from Function 101 here. This guy is a Workpad stylish desk mat, and the other is some cable blocks and some more stay cable. Okay, we're going to be opening these up, trying these out right after this, and it's going to be a fun experience, I can tell. Okay, as you can see, I have a desk here, and I'm hoping I'm going to get a good view of this. But essentially, I believe the Workpad is designed to just basically be a desk pad, but, you know, a nice, really good looking one. And I'm having just a devil of a time getting this out, aren't I? Okay, so, oh gosh, all right, I didn't expect it to be this big here. All right, I might have to go to another, shoot. Okay, wow. I'm probably gonna have to go to another camera to get a good shot of this. You know what, I think I'm just gonna do that. Okay, this is much better, isn't it? Yeah, I got the whole thing like put out here, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think it's got some sort of surface here that keeps it on the desk, but here's something I wanna show off here. Look at this. See, this thing came with this, and it's magnetic. It just goes on there. You know what else is magnetic? This particular thing, this stay cable here. This is where it's going to get a bit complicated because I think we all know that we have setups for our home office or any other type of situation that get kind of complicated. So, I have my computer here, and I brought it out just to illustrate how I can use this. See this? It gets really messy here. What if there was a way not to be so messy? What if there's a way that I could use these particular cable blocks and make it not messy? Like, say for example, I had to charge up my phone or something like that, and I needed something like this, a stay cable. Well, fortunately I've got one right here that I can use. So if I've got this thing I can connect, and this other end is slightly magnetic. So it's staying here pretty well. So it's not just flopping all over the place, which is fine. But if it, if I wanted to be in a certain place, I got this thing, this cable block here, and I could stick it here because these things stick down pretty well. They're somewhat magnetic. They're not quite completely, I have to admit, these things are not like lock in place good, but they will lock in place a lot better than something that, you know, it's better than just having nothing there. So I could put in the cord here, and I can do a little, you just kind of keep it there. Yeah, that actually locks in there pretty well. All right, keep that off to the side. So in case I wanted to charge up my phone here, nothing is getting tangled anymore. So yeah, so we got that. Function 101 is well named, really. Okay, so, all right, I think the best thing I can do is give you a price point on this, because you got some good service on this thing. This is a very fine product here. This whole thing, this little mat here, the Workpad Magnetic Cable Manager, costed about $49.99. Comes in 3 different colors here. And let's see, I've got about 31 inches by 13.4 inches. So it definitely is pretty well compact. And you know what? I'm just going to do this really quick. How quickly can I fold this up and get ready to go? All right. All right. So I got it right here. So I could probably just stuff this in my backpack along with my laptop when I'm ready to fold this up, and I'm ready to go. So this is quite the product here. Oh yes. Okay. So what else is there to say about this? Well, not much. I haven't given a price point on some of this. Now this stay cable here is a pretty good price as well, and it is about $17.95, and it comes with this thing. This is magnetic, so it'll stick, oh okay, not to the pad, but it'll definitely stick to this thing itself. See that? Okay, this thing has some adhesive here, so in case you want to put it on, say, on the side of your desk, you could do that and then have a nice place to store something like this. As far as these magnetic things, they don't really seem to come with any adhesive, But I do like how they lock together. See that? Okay. See that? And yeah, so in fact, if you do it right, they'll actually repel each other. Yeah, these are got some good magnets in them. So you can set these up on your workstation, no matter where. Oh man, I wish these lock down a little bit better. There's some places where I feel like they stick down really well, and some places where they really don't. But it's enough so it's like they don't move too easily. Like I can't just kind of, I mean, I can move them, but it's not like I'm gonna, okay, I suppose, okay, maybe a little thing would knock it off. But I mean, seriously, if I'm gonna put something here, like if I want it to hold my mouse or something like that, it's a good solid base for it. So then, hey, you do need it to be held in completely? Well, maybe you do, maybe you don't, but hey. Let's see. Okay, obviously I got this tablecloth here that's affecting some things. Ugh. Okay, I'm only doing this in one take, so sorry. But anyway, oh yeah, let's see, the cable blocks are about $19.95 for a box of 3 like this. So yeah, if you want that, go to the Function 101 site and get it. And this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.